What is it?
Cauliflower.
That one's broccoli. Broccoli.
Cauliflower.
Oh, cauliflower.
Ripe and curly.
You like it? What do you think about it? He's having a great dinner. Having broccoli and grapes and string beans and cauliflower and zucchini. Whoa.
I wish. What? Oh. Hi, guys.
He's having a pizza party.
Pizza party.
Sit on your chair so they can see you. They can't see you. There we go. Did you hear all that, guys? Did you hear?
I got it.
Did you hear him cry?
Did I scare them?
Yes, you did. Why are you scaring them for? You scared them.
Hugger.
Oh.
Give me that lovey.
Oh.
Aww.
So sweet.
Give me that lovey.
Who's your lovey?
Baby Jordan. I wanna hug you. I wanna hug you.
Aww. Aww. Good job, Jett. So sweet.
There's your lobby, sweetie. Thank you, Jett Rex.
As I love her so much, as I love her so much.
Good boy.
As I love her so much, I love you so much.
Aw, good job, Jett. She can't wait to play with you.
He thinks so much means a little bit.
He does?
Well, what do you mean?
Oh.
I mean, I think so much is a lot.
Yeah.
Oh.
A real lot, right? Hey, try your pizza, Jett. He said he's watching TV. All right, bye, guys. He's watching TV now. What?
Look, it's so crusty.
Whoa. Are you waving at it? Are you waving goodbye to the pizza? Bye, pizza. Bye-bye, pizza. I don't know what he's doing, but I guess he's waving to the pizza. Goodbye, pizza. Bye, pizza. I love you. I'll see you soon. Oh.
I'm just cooling it down.
He's cooling it down, guys. That's the funniest way I've ever seen you cool down a pizza. Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now he's finally gonna eat a pizza. It's finally not hot. This is how not to eat a pizza. Are you sitting down on your butt? Not your feet? They can't see your head. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my goodness gracious. This kid does not have to sit down so they can see you. Jett, eat a little at a time. What are you doing? This is how not to eat a pizza. Chew, chew, chew. Alright, we're done for now. No, you gotta eat, Jett.
No. Time for school. It's gonna be cool.
Oh.
It's time for school.
That's when it'll be cool?
Yeah.
Until then it won't be cool?
What is it?
Until then it'll be hot? Until then, it'll be hot.
That's, but when it cools down, it never stays hot.
Oh. You think it'll stay hot all night long? Until tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. I think it's gonna be cool like now. Let's try it now.
It's still hot. Not hot.
See?
This is not hot. Let's try the other one.
Just don't throw food on the floor. Just don't do that. What did you throw it?
And then there.
Don't do that. No more than that, okay? Don't do that.
Let's see if this. Ah, hot!
Better now?
It's hot!
It's still?
It's still hot! I don't know why!
What are you punching? A cap? Did you punch a cap?
I was gonna break your water bottle into pieces.
Don't you break my water bottle. No, I need the cap. This cap's important for me. I need this cap. You know why? Sit down for that. I'll show you why I need it.
Why?
Because I gotta put it on your nose. I don't have it. It's gone. I lost it. It's a magic trick. I got rid of the cap. I did magic. I did magic trick. Do you know I know magic? I do a magic trick on you. You want me to make it appear?
Can you make it under me?
Abracadabra. Here it is again. I make it disappear so fast. I did it again. You found my magic trick. It's okay. The magic trick. I did it again. Where'd it go? Oh, I know where it is. Put it down. It's right here. Put it down. Put it down. You put it down. It's right here, underneath here. It's in your ear. Ah, it was in your ear the whole time. Oh. No, be careful with that magic trick.
I got.
You got it this time. You're gonna hit the kids over there. Excuse me, sorry. He didn't mean to hit you over there, okay? He said sorry. All right, magic trick again. Ready? I roll it underneath the table. It's underneath there. I get it from your ear again. Oh, he got it. Oh, you hit the kitten again. Oh, you hit that guy over there. Sorry, guy. You didn't mean it. Oh, you hit that one too. Oh, the mom. Mom, you almost. Are you okay? Are you okay? Did he hit you? I am so sorry. He doesn't mean to be mean sometimes. Just happens. But look, I put this on my nose. It's good. I got it. Oh, it's under there. What are you doing to my phone? Oh, just no! Oh no, I'm gonna break something. Don't play with this toy. It's a very dangerous toy. It's a very dangerous toy. Yeah.
They have a cat too.
Who? Oh, they throw one back to you. Are we eating or playing here? What are we? No. Okay, that's it. Enough. Eat the pizza. It's cold now. We played enough. It's cold.
I'm just playing for the cars. I'm gonna get to school. Jumping into the wheels and jump into the car. Oh. Me. Do, re, mi, fa, so, life, me, do, re, mi, fa, so, life, me, do, re, mi, fa, so, life, me, do, re, mi, Hey, Mine, you're in my street. Stop being on my street, guy. But I need to because your arm is stepping on me. Ah, sorry. Hey, stepping on me. What do I do then? Oh, let's try.
Good parking, Jett. Say bye. Bye. Say bye to your friends.
I'm still playing.
I know, but they have to go.
Hey, no! He's not on the line, right?